Here's a song I learnt from Merle Haggard's Same Train, Different Time album. I love singing these old Jimmie Rodgers songs. I know I don't yodel very well, but I don't think Jimmie Rodgers did really. They're one called Train Whistle Blues. When a woman gets the blues, she hangs her little head and cries. When a woman gets the blues, she hangs her little head and she cries. But when a man gets blue, he grabs him a train and rides. I can't understand how come you do me like you do. Can't understand how come you do me like you do. Well, if you don't want me, woman, just cinch I don't want you. Look at yonder coming down the railroad track. Look at yonder coming down the railroad track. And see the black smoke rolling from that old smokestack. Hey, oodalay, 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 oodalay. I feel so bad, the whole round world looks blue. I feel so bad, the whole round world looks blue. I ain't got no money, I don't know what to do. Look at yonder coming down that railroad track. Look at yonder coming down the railroad track. And see the black smoke rolling from that old smokestack. Hey, oodalay, oodalay, oodalay. Look at yonder coming down the railroad track. Look at yonder coming down the railroad track. I see the black smoke rolling from that old smokestack. Hey, oodalay, oodalay, oodalay. Hey, oodalay,